5 ways to intensify your visual marketing. We all know that nowadays, good visuals are essential for successful marketing campaigns. Marketers are using visuals almost everywhere, from Instagram to even emails. Hence, we can agree on the fact that visuals are a must for every kind of marketing. So now using visuals is no more a unique technique. And the challenge is how to stand out from the crowd. And for that, you will have to improve your visual marketing. You will have to think of some extraordinary ways to utilize visuals. Hey guys, my name is Asta from PaperVideo. So today I'm going to tell you 5 ways to boost your visual marketing. Before we begin though, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Number 1, turn your posts into artwork. Just posting a picture is not enough to grab your audience's attention. The viewer's whole feed is filled with images, so you should give them a unique reason to stare at your posts. And for that, you will have to switch your visual approach. Use artistic filters and effects that should instantly grab audience's attention. Many apps like PixArt, QuickArt and more can change images into aesthetic artwork. Number 2, establish your brand. You might have heard, if you want to establish yourself on social media, then your feed should look aesthetic because aesthetic is a new trend. For establishing your brand, you will have to create attractive templates and you will have to use colors that resemble your brand personality. You will have to invent some quirky ideas to make your feed look aesthetic. Number 3, tell a story. Do you remember Tata Sky's daily recharge TV ad? If you don't, let me brief you. A few years ago, Tata Sky had released an episodic TVC. In that, they used to release one part of a story every day. And that TVC became so popular that people started waiting for the next episode. That was the first kind of ad in the Indian TV industry. That ad told us, people love stories, and if your tale is gripping enough, they will wait for the next part irrespective of the time duration of the story. So you can use the same technique on your social media. You can tell an exciting story through the posts, and if your story is good enough, people will definitely wait for your next post. Number 4, memes and gifs. Creating your own meme according to the trends is an excellent approach to get the audience's attention. This generation is looking for relatable memes, so they will take your brand seriously if they actually find the humor relatable. The key to developing a meme is understanding your target audience, needs, and brand approach. Creative content taps into the visual and intuitive side of your audience, encouraging them to explore more about your brand. By generating high-quality visual content that truly resonates with people, you are more likely to build a more substantial reputation around your business. Number 5, play with features. Every social media platform has different features like Instagram has Reels, IGTV, and Story. Similar features are there on Facebook as well. So use almost every social media platform and every tool. The Reel is the most fantastic feature on Instagram and people utilize it in many ways. Some are just making reels and some are playing with the filters and editing options. So you should become the latter. Making a reel is not a big deal, but creating a great creative reel is an art. And that skill can boost your reach and take your engagements to the next level. Hence, use these features wisely. In conclusion, all I can say is these are the best practices to boost your visual marketing. These tactics might look light, but you will notice the enormous difference once you start applying them. Also remember, you can start with these, but don't stop after it. Once you get friendly with these techniques, start experimenting with your own ideas too. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to like and share it with your friends, family and colleagues. Share any tips that worked for you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.